today we're going to touch on some basic legal terms that, regardless of your position in a lawsuit or divorce or whatever it may be, you will come across these terms. So the first terms are plaintiff and defendant. Who's the plaintiff? Who's the defendant? A plaintiff in an action is the person that's bringing forth the action. So if you're suing someone, whether it be a car accident or a breach of contract, you would be the one that's bringing the cause of action, so you would be, therefore you would be called the plaintiff. If you're bringing it on behalf of a company, then it wouldn't be you per se, it would be you as a representative of your company, but your company would be the plaintiff of the action. The defendant is the person that is defending the action, or being named as someone that is either liable or has to be responsible for some sort of liability or payment of damages or whatever the cause of action it may be, but those are the person that, in other words, are getting sued. So there are other people that come into play. You might have a third-party defendant, third-party plaintiff, and these are all different people that may have a right to the action, but pretty basic, pretty standard is plaintiff, defendant. Plaintiff is the person that brings the action. Defendant is the person that is defending the action. Of course, the defendant can bring a counterclaim, and he would then be, he, she, it, whatever it may be, will then be called a counter-plaintiff. So again, very basic. That goes a little bit more complex. Then when it comes to divorces, for example, the person bringing the divorce, the petition, the document that you're filing, initiating the action with the court, is going to be called the petitioner. The person that is responding is going to be called the respondent. So that one's a little bit easier. You know, you have a petition, and the person that brings it forward is the petitioner, and the respondent, the person that is responding, is the respondent. And again, the same thing goes with just like civil. If the respondent wants to bring a cause of action, they would just have to file a counter petition. So they would be called the counter-petitioner. But very basic, you have the plaintiff and the petitioner. Those are the two people that bring actions. You have the respondent and defendants. Those are the two people or companies that are defending or responding to an action that was initiated, naming them as a party. So if you have any questions, if you want to know more about legal terms and legal terminology, shoot us an email, send us a message, write us down a message in our YouTube comment, and let us know. We're here to help you. Have an awesome day.